2 centuries ago, there was a guy named Kyle, and he loved root beer. But everybody hated root beer back then. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I don't know if 2 centuries ago there was a guy named Kyle who loved root beer and everybody hated root beer. But I do know this. What is 2 centuries? Well, I guess it's not that I know, it's a question. Well, let's think. What is a century? Well, a century, from the name, means 100 years. You can tell because that cent inside the word, the S-E-N-T inside the word, means 100. So a century is 100 years. So that means that 2 centuries ago means there was 100 years. So that's 200 years. 2 centuries ago means that it was 200 years ago. But what is a millennium then? A millennia is 1,000 years. So if I were to say 2 millennia ago or 3 millennia ago, how many years would that be? That'd be 3,000 to 2,000 millennia. Do you know what a decade is? What's a decade? Well, a decade is just 10 years. If I were to say, ask you, how many decades ago, from the year this is recording in, which is 2025, how many decades ago was 2005? Well, it's 2 decades ago. If we count backwards, we can say 2024, 23, 22, 21, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016. I counted this wrong. It's 20 years ago. It's 2 decades ago. So 2 decades is 20 years. And 2 millennia is 2,000 years. 2 centuries is 200 years. So by putting this together, we can say things like 1 millennia, 2 centuries ago, which is 1,200 years ago. And we can say things like 2 centuries, 3 decades ago, 230 years ago. And it's important for us to know these things because this is how history is categorized. History, there's a large gaps in between and stuff. Like history has been recorded for a long time, well over 1,000 years. We have to use large numbers like millennia and centuries because history is a lot. Anyways, yeah, millennia is 1,000 years, decade is 10 years, century is 100. Learn these and go home and find out dates in the past and write down how many millennia, centuries, and decades ago there were. And yeah, stay in school.